right? Oh, now it's a
Jimmy Hopkins to the office!
Was that an orc or a jock? I think I might be losing my... I can't believe she asked me that! Of course I'm the center of my universe! Hey, dude!
People die. Wonder what a Hiya!
Maybe she'll come up to my room.
Did you ever forget to take notes in class? Hello, you.
Moron!
Just to talk to Dr. Crabble Snitch.
Everyone thinks I hate everybody, but I like you.
If you kiss
You
once
have
a day,
nice lips.
you'll...
No brain, moron!
I can't wait to graduate so I can do that all the time.
Ah, Hopkins. Now, I'm not one to give in to popular sentiment.
You can tell that by your clothes.
What?
I'm saying you dress great.
Irrelevant. As I said, I am not a people pleaser, but in your case, I'm going to make an exception.
An exception? Cool.
Yes, you are without a doubt the least popular boy in the school right now. Even that fat child who wets himself is more popular than you. Coincidentally, it has also come to my attention that you are a filthy, dirty, foul-mouthed, awful little vandal.
Yeah, well, we already knew that.
Very droll. A comedian till the end. Well, you'll have to pursue your comedic talents elsewhere, boy. Bullworth is not for you.
I'm not the one who's funny. You know what's funny? You. You're a joke, you old creep. You and your stuck-up, lame-ass school, with its bullies and sex-pest teachers. This place is a dump, and you're a big-nosed freak. This school rewards losers and bullies. I just stand up to them.
You painted obscene graffiti on the town hall, boy. I have it on good authority it was you.
Oh yeah? Then who squealed? Tell me that.
A commendable pupil did feel the need to tell me you were responsible for this outrage.
Gary Smith! Look, I may have painted a few jokes on the town hall, but that kid likes to torture people.
Gary Smith is the next head of this school. He's responsible, courteous, and not afraid of being an unpopular leader.
You are blind, old man, blind!
And you are leaving. I tried to contact your mother, but she's still off on a cruise. Until I hear from her, I will have to let you stay here in your room. But you may not wear the school uniform or attend classes.
Gotta be kidding
You are
me.
leaving the academy to attend to your education elsewhere. Now get out!
Whatever, man.
Bullworth is the worst school ever. That window's been broken.
Hey, Jimmy. How you doing?
Terrible. Everybody hates me.
Everybody might hate you, but everybody laughs at me.
Yeah, that's true. Those kids are jerks anyway, but I tried.
I know.
I mean, I tried to do the right thing, make people happy, stop all the fighting, make everyone calm down. Now everyone laughs at me. People used to be scared of me, and now I'm a joke.
It was Gary. It must have been.
I know. I can't deal with the fact that that kid beat me.
Well, it ain't over yet. God, one minor setback and you're acting like a baby. You're pathetic.
I've been expelled. They're just waiting for my mother to come back from her 58th honeymoon, then I'm out of here. How was that a minor setback?
Losers!
Oh, shut up, you fat dork.
Whatever. You and your has-been friend don't scare me.
See? Even a dork like that laughs at me.
We gotta prove Gary was behind everything.
We don't even know if it was Gary. All we know is towny kids beat up a bunch of Bullworth kids. I mean, I don't even care anymore.
Well, we've gotta find out what's going on. Come on!
Okay, but if we're gonna take on those townies, we're gonna need a bunch of backup. Someone big who doesn't hate me yet.
Russell! He'll be at his house at Old Bullworth Vale. Why was my dad a librarian and not a bank robber?
When I see one more little freshman trying to walk behind you without saluting, I'm gonna flip my freaking lid. Shouldn't you be? You're gonna learn much.
Hey, Russell! I need your help to bust into the Dropout's hideout.
Only if Russell gets to destroy.
They're locked! Ooh, that's gotta hurt!
Boom! Uh-oh! This doesn't look so good!
What the hell do you think you're doing?
What do you mean?
Smashing into our barricade like that? Completely out of control. Are you crazy?
I've gotta talk to that Edgar kid.
I don't think he wants to talk to you. And you can't get in while the power is out anyways.
I've got now you're in for it now.
What'd you have to do that for?
Out of my face!
This is fine.
Now don't make a big deal out of this. Probably won't do anything.
Tell me what this is. Come on, enough with the love pack.
Right in the toxic twins! Right in the toxic twins!
What's this?
We gotta go through the Red Star building. This gate is
is controlled by an electronic security switch. I think it's in the office.
And action.
Now that we have the power restored, we've got to get to the chem plant. And to do that, we've got to take on Omar. He's Edgar's right-hand man. He's the only one with the key to the plant.
Right in the toxic twins!
Come on, you big baby.
Right in the
Remember that
toxic
for next
twins.
time.
Oh. I'll show you who's in charge here. You ever been knocked up with that?
Lay off.
You gonna get that switch or what?
And I thought today was gonna be boring. What'd you have to do that for? Can't feel pain.
That's it. Finally, you found the right button to press.
I don't think I can beat all of them.
Hang on, Jimmy. You'll see. Hey, you ever gone to the big city?
Let's get to work.
We don't like your kind around here.
I'll come and help you, man. Don't worry. So my God,
You've had it coming. Everyone's laughing at you.
what's going on?
Cool. this. Okay, now we're talking.
Save yourself! Run!
Pipe will take me down?
You had enough? You want some more? Come on, big guy. You still think messing with me is a good idea?
No, no, no!
Good. That's what I thought. Now, what made you think it was a good idea in the first place?
Aw, man. I hate that school. My parents couldn't afford to send me there, and now I'm stuck in this dump of a town. Gary said we make them all pay.
Wait a second. Gary? That backstabbing, two-faced sociopath put you up to this? Ah, I bet he said the two of you would take over the school or some crap.
Hey, how'd you know?
Because he told me the same garbage. Didn't do me any good either. Come on. You're gonna help me make him pay for his lies.
You know, you're all right, Jimmy.
Yeah, okay. See you. Simple.